everyone, and welcome back to Fluentto, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're joining us again.
Yes, today we're talking about a super practical topic, going shopping at the supermarket.
That's right. We'll practice simple words and sentences you can use when you buy food and drinks. Very useful for beginners.
And as always, if you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment. Tell us, what do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Perfect. Let's get started.
Part 1. Getting ready to shop.
Anna, when you go to the supermarket, do you make a shopping list?
Yes, I do. A shopping list helps me remember what I need.
Me too. If I don't write a list, I forget something important, like milk or bread.
Exactly. So, today, let's make a shopping list together. What's the first thing we should write?
Let's start with bread. Everyone needs bread.
Good idea. Bread is number 1. What about milk?
Yes, milk is number 2. And fruit. I love apples.
Apples are great. I usually buy bananas too.
So our list is bread, milk, apples, bananas. What else?
Let's add rice and maybe some eggs.
Perfect. That's a simple but useful shopping list. Let's repeat the words slowly. Bread, milk, apples, bananas, rice, eggs.
Yes. Repeat after us, listeners. Bread, milk, apples, bananas, rice, eggs. Part 2. In the supermarket. Bread section.
Okay, let's imagine we are in the supermarket now. First stop, the bread section.
I usually buy brown bread. It's healthier.
I usually buy white bread, but sometimes I buy whole grain bread.
That's good vocabulary. Brown bread, white bread, whole grain bread.
Exactly. So I might say, I want 1 loaf of white bread, please.
Or I usually buy whole grain bread.
Listeners, try to say it with us. I want bread. I buy white bread. I buy brown bread.
Part 3. Fruit and vegetables.
Now let's go to the fruit section.
Yes, there are so many choices. Apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, strawberries.
I love strawberries. They are sweet.
I usually buy apples, red apples, not green apples.
And bananas. Bananas are cheap and healthy.
Good sentences for practice. I want to buy apples. I need bananas. I usually buy oranges.
What about vegetables, Anna?
Oh, yes, vegetables are very important. Carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes.
My favorite is tomatoes. I eat them in salad.
And I like cucumbers. They are fresh and crunchy.
Let's repeat some words. Apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, strawberries.
And vegetables, carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes.
Great job!
Part 4. Drinks.
Now let's buy some drinks.
Yes, water is number 1. Everyone needs water.
I usually buy big bottles of water.
I sometimes buy juice, orange juice or apple juice.
And sometimes people buy soda, like cola, but I don't drink soda often.
Me neither. Too much sugar.
I need water. I want orange juice. I don't drink soda.
Part 5. The checkout.
Okay, Anna, we have our shopping. Time to pay.
Yes, at the checkout, the cashier says, "Hello, do you need a bag?"
And we can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
Then the cashier tells us the price. For example, that will be $15.
And we can say, here you are, or can I pay by card?
Exactly, very useful phrases.
Key phrases at the checkout. Do you need a bag? Yes, please. No, thank you. That will be $15. Can I pay by card?
Great! Part 6. Summary and Review.
Okay, Anna, let's review everything we learned today.
Yes, we talked about bread, milk, apples, bananas, rice, eggs.
Also, fruit and vegetables, apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, strawberries, carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes.
And drinks, water, juice, soda.
And useful phrases. I need. I want. Do you need a bag? Can I pay by card?
Great!
That was a lot of useful English for shopping at the supermarket.
Yes, now it's your turn. Try to make your own shopping list in English.
And practice saying, I need bread. I want apples. I buy water.
Thank you for joining us today on Fluento.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave us a comment. What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
See you next time for another everyday English conversation.
Bye, everyone.